Your morning doesn't just start your day, it programs it. Right now, millions are waking up and instantly stalling, not because they're lazy, but because they've been conditioned by comfort. Before a single conscious thought, they obey the lie. I'll start when I feel ready. But readiness is not real. It's mirage. And if you wait for it, you build your identity around hesitation, not power. But you, watching this, you're already doing something 99% won't. You're waking up with intention. And this video is your protocol. A 3-minute system built to disrupt the fog, command your nervous system, and rewire your identity from the very first second. This is not a routine. This is not about aesthetics. This is your reset. And it starts now.
Most people don't start their mornings, they escape them. From the second the alarm hits, they're already making trades. 5 more minutes, just one scroll. I'll start slow today. But here's the truth nobody wants to admit. The way you start is the way you show up. If your first move is hesitation, your body gets trained to avoid effort, not lead it. And that tiny, invisible decision, it echoes into your discipline, into your pace, into how you respond to pressure. You hesitate longer, you question your instincts, you move slower. Not because you're lazy, but because your morning taught you to delay power. You didn't choose that mood, it chose you. Because you didn't install anything stronger. So the lie survives. You're not ready yet. But here's the truth. You don't need motivation. You need a signal. A system that tells your nervous system, I lead, I decide, I act. That's how we break the loop. Let's install that system.
You don't need an hour. You need 3 minutes that hit like ignition. This isn't a routine. It's a protocol. Clean, fast, weaponized. Step 1, the snap-in. Stand, breathe, shake the fog, splash cold water, drop to the ground, hold a plank. Just 10 seconds. It's primal. It's fast. It's sharp. 1 breath, 1 command. I lead today. Visualize. The ignition key turns. Armor piece clicks over your chest. And with that snap, you've already broken hesitation. Step 2. Speak identity. Look forward, say it out loud. I act before I feel ready. I don't stall, I start. I lead with clarity, not comfort. This isn't hype, it's programming. Every time you speak it, your brain rewires. Hesitation loses its grip. This is your verbal shield. Your helmet locks in place. The armor builds. Half asleep, I forced 10 push-ups at 5 a.m., arms trembling. By day 3, a surge of clarity hit. That's belief born through action. That's momentum with roots. Step 3. Power anchor. Now hit something hard. 10 push-ups, a 1-minute plank. Make your bed like a ritual. Not for the reps, for the precedent. This is the brick, the chest plate, the strike that starts your identity shift. This entire sequence, 3 minutes. No hype, no fluff. But the armor you build, that lasts all day.
Here's what almost no one admits. Mornings don't just start your day. They train your default setting. And most people, they don't drift because they're weak. They drift because their morning never pulled them in. Instead of installing clarity, they install confusion. Scroll, delay, random inputs. And what you input first, that becomes your filter for everything else. You feel reactive, scattered, behind, not because your day is broken, but because your entry point was. Every morning you hesitate, you train your nervous system to follow hesitation, not you. But when you install a command, a move, a phrase, a sharp action, you don't just start, you override the drift. And that override, it's not motivation, it's identity enforcement. Because what you rehearse, you become. If you rehearse delay, you become doubt. If you rehearse power, you become a presence. Don't escape your mornings. Armor them. That's the difference between a passive life and a leadership life.
This protocol isn't just about waking up sharper. It's about installing the future version of you, one move at a time. Think about it. You don't become what you want, you become what you repeat. That's why this system is built around 3 coded actions, each one forged to rewire identity at the root. Step 1, the shift. You move before comfort negotiates. Stand, breathe deep, splash water, drop into 10 seconds of tension. This is ignition. This is armor locking into place. Step 2, the declaration. Speak your identity before the world speaks at you. I lead before I feel ready. I act before I ask how I feel. I own my morning, no excuses. It's not hype, it's code. Your voice wires the signal. Step 3, the strike. Move clean, hard, fast. 10 push-ups, 1-minute plank. Make your bed with surgical precision. That's the first brick, and every brick laid forms your chest plate. The first time I tried this, half asleep, 5 a.m., I forced myself into 10 push-ups, arms trembling. They felt pointless, but by day 3, a surge of clarity hit. I wasn't stalling anymore. That identity shift, that built Vision Vortex. This is no longer about routine, it's about ritual. And when done with intention, that ritual becomes a mirror, reflecting the version of you that no longer negotiates.
Your morning isn't breaking you because you're weak. It's breaking you because it was never designed by you. But now, you've got the protocol. 3 moves, 5 minutes. That's all it takes to change the signal you send to your brain, your body, and your future. Here's your reset recap. Step 1, shift your state. Step 2, declare your identity. Step 3, strike clean. These aren't routines, they're signals. Each one lays a brick. Each brick locks your armor. Each armor piece becomes your fortress. And when the fortress rises, distraction loses, delay weakens, hesitation dies. So right now, before this video ends, do 10 push-ups. Say your identity line out loud. Share your 3-minute reset win below. Then say it. In the comments or out loud, this is who I am now. Like, if you're done letting mornings drain you. Repeat, share this with someone stuck in snooze. And subscribe for weekly rewiring. No fluff, just fire.
This is Vision Vortex, your space where clarity meets transformation. Subscribe now and return each week to sharpen your mind and strengthen your soul.